Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super crunchy, super quick and easy, super healthy, caramelized onion snack made with chickpeas, but tastes mind-blowing good. It's addictive, but don't worry, it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First off, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a bowl. Along with one chopped onion. Next, pour a quarter cup of tahini into another bowl. Along with a teaspoon of paprika powder. And half a teaspoon of salt. Just mix it. And combine it with the chickpeas. Now add them onto a baking sheet and bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And enjoy a super healthy caramelized onion snack! Thanks for watching!